Did you know Earth has more water than land? Like 70% water? That's a lot of places to splash around.
Fascinating, Najm. Let's hope they don't start bottling it for aliens.
Wait. Get this. The sun is so big, you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it.
Amazing. A cosmic cookie jar. And we're the crumbs.
Hey, crumbs are underrated. But seriously, the sun is hot. Like 27 million degrees Fahrenheit hot. That's enough to toast a lot of marshmallows.
Yes, because nothing says advanced civilization like cosmic s'mores.
Also, humans have a leap year every 4 years because their planet's orbit is weirdly off.
It's not off. Almighty Allah, in His infinite wisdom and knowledge, has it perfectly calculated. Unlike your piloting skills, I'm afraid.
That's exactly why we're here, in search of our new captain who can pilot us through the stars.
Indeed, and speaking of a new captain, we're back, citizens of Earth. The contestants will face 3 epic quiz challenges: the favorite subject, general knowledge, and Islamic knowledge.
They have 60 seconds to answer questions faster than a comet on roller skates. Only 2 contestants will beam up to the next level. The rest, well, they'll be gently deactivated.
Let's beam them back into the spotlight and get this challenge rolling.
Let the games continue. Welcome, challenger Safa Abdulaziz. Welcome, challenger Uthman ibn Jamil. Welcome, challenger Sir Siddiqui. Welcome, challenger Ayan Chowdhury. Teleportation complete.
With our contestants assembled, let the games commence.
Meet Safa Abdulaziz, an inspiring heart surgeon with a love for reading and a sweet spot for cream eclairs. With a sharp mind and passion for learning, Safa is ready to bring precision and heart to the competition.
Challenge 1, specialist subject. Safa, your chosen topic is grammar and spelling. You have 60 seconds. Engage. Correct this sentence. I eated the cake.
I ate the cake.
Spell the word favorite.
F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E.
What is the adverb in this sentence? The children played loudly in the garden.
Loudly.
Spell the word camouflage.
C-A-M-O-F-L. Pass.
Correct this sentence. She walked very quickly.
She walked very quickly.
Spell the word embarrass.
E-M-B-A-R-R. Wait, E-M-B-R-E. Pass.
What is a synonym for small?
Tiny.
Spell the word rhythm.
R-H-Y-T-H-M.
What is a past tense for the verb speak?
Spoke.
What is a past tense for the word bring?
Brought.
Challenge completed. Safa, you have answered 8 questions correctly and passed on 2. Well done.
Introducing 10-year-old Uthman ibn Jamil, a future engineer in the making. He loves reading, dreaming up inventions, and enjoys his favorite meals, grilled chicken and spaghetti bolognese.
Uthman, your chosen subject is the planets. You have 60 seconds. Engage. Which planet has the longest day of the year?
Saturn.
Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Which planet is the most hottest in our solar system?
Venus.
True or false? Saturn's rings are made from rock and ice.
True.
Which planet is famous for its many moons, including Titan?
Jupiter.
Which planet is furthest from the sun?
Uranus.
What is the name of our galaxy?
Milky Way.
What is the name of the force that keeps the planets in orbit around the sun?
Pass.
What is the name of the largest moon of Jupiter?
Pass.
What is the main component of the atmosphere of Mars?
Pass.
What is the term used for a planet's journey around the sun?
Orbit.
What is the name of the Earth's only natural satellite?
Moon.
What is the name of the force that keeps the planets in orbit around the sun?
Pass.
Challenge completed. Uthman, you answered 5 questions correctly and passed on 3. Well done.
Meet Seer Siddiqui, an aspiring engineer with a passion for football. When he's not on the field, Seer enjoys his favorite traditional dish, mantou. With his determination and love for the game, he's ready to tackle the competition.
Seer, your chosen subject is Muslim inventors. You have 60 seconds. Engage. Which Arab mathematician is known as the father of algebra?
Al-Khwarizmi.
Which Muslim scientist improved the astrolabe, a tool used for navigation?
Astrolabe.
Which Muslim inventor designed a flying machine in the 9th century?
Abbas ibn Firnas.
Who was the Muslim chemist known as the father of chemistry?
Al-Wazi.
Which Muslim scientist helped develop modern hospitals with specialized wards for different diseases?
Ibn Sina.
Who was the famous explorer who traveled more than 75,000 miles and wrote about his journeys?
Pass.
Who was the inventor that designed advanced irrigation systems to water crops nearby?
Pass.
Who was the famous Muslim doctor who wrote a medical encyclopedia?
Pass.
Which Muslim astronomer accurately calculated the length of the solar year?
Pass.
Who was the Muslim geographer who accurately mapped out the Nile Valley and its sources?
Pass.
Challenge completed. Seer, you answered 3 questions accurately and passed on 4. Well done.
Introducing Ayan Chowdhury, a future astronaut with dreams of exploring space. He's already a star on Earth, having played football at Wembley Stadium. Ayan also enjoys chess, drawing, and his favorite meals, biryani and Kabuli pulao.
Ayan, your chosen subject is division, mental math. You have 60 seconds. Engage. Who used division in astrology to calculate the planetary movements during the Renaissance?
Pass.
If you divide 56 by 8, what is the quotient?
7.
Calculate the result of 100 divided by 5.
20.
Which philosopher and mathematician used division to explore the particles of physics?
Pass.
What is the quotient of 120 divided by 12?
10.
If you divide 90 by 10 and then by 3, what do you get?
3.
If you divide 60 by 5 and then by 3, what do you get?
4.
If you divide 90 by 9 and then by 5, what is
2.
the answer? What is 150 divided by 5 divided by 5?
6.
Calculate 72 divided by 8 divided by 9.
1.
What is the result of 84 divided by 7?
12.
What is 56 divided by 7?
8.
Challenge complete. Ayan, you have answered 10 correct answers and passed on 2. Well done. Initiating challenge 1 scores. We have Ayan in the lead with an impressive 10 points.
That's right, he's certainly showing his expertise in this challenge.
But don't count out Safa, Uthman or Seer, who are trailing closely behind.
Every point counts, and it's shaping up to be quite the showdown.
Challenge 2, General Knowledge. Safa, your second challenge is General Knowledge. You have 60 seconds. Engage. What is 150 divided by 2?
75.
What is 450 plus 850?
1,300.
What is the boiling point of water?
Pass.
How long does it take the Earth to orbit the Sun?
24 hours.
Identify the verb in the sentence, he sings beautifully.
Sings.
What year did the UK vote to leave the European Union?
Pass.
What is the name of the famous English castle that is home to the crown jewels?
Buckingham Palace.
Where would you find people wearing kilts?
Scotland.
What is a currency used in many European countries?
Euros.
Challenge complete. Safa, you have answered 4 questions correctly and passed on 2. Well done. Uthman, your second challenge is General Knowledge. You have 60 seconds. Engage. Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Which address does the London Prime Minister live?
Pass.
What year did the Great Fire of London take place?
1848.
What is the name of the famous wall built by the Romans in northern England?
Hadrian's Wall.
What is the name of the punctuation used when a sentence is finished?
Full stop.
Spell the word average.
A-V-E-R-A-G-E.
What is the past tense for the verb climb?
Climbed.
What is the smallest prime number?
1.
If 1 kg of rice costs £1.20, how much does 500 g cost?
£5,000.
What is the name of the biggest rainforest in Brazil?
Amazon rainforest.
Which hemisphere does the majority of humans live in?
The northern.
Which is the largest country in the world?
Russia.
Challenge complete. Uthman, you have answered 8 questions correctly and passed on 1. Well done. Memory banks full. Analyzing data now. System processing.
Initializing score updates. Uthman takes the lead with an impressive 13 points. Safa has done well and is not that far behind. Stay with us.
System rebooted.
Welcome back, Cosmic Challengers. Our journey continues with the final 2 contestants in the General Knowledge Challenge.
Challenge 2. General knowledge.
Initializing score updates. Uthman takes the lead with an impressive 13 points. Safa has done well and is not that far behind. Stay with us. Remember, only the 2 highest scores will progress.
Siye, your second challenge is general knowledge. You have 60 seconds. Engage. In what year did World War II end?
In 1998.
Who was the first human to walk on the lunar surface?
Pause.
52 divided by 4 equals what?
Repeat that.
52 divided by 4 equals what?
24.
True or false? In an isosceles triangle, all sides are unequal.
2.
What is the past tense of the verb run?
Pause.
Spell the word difficulty.
Difficulty. Difficulty. Difficulty.
What main vitamin is found in oranges?
Vitamin B.
Challenge complete. Siye, you answered 1 question correctly and passed on 2. Well done. I.L.M, your second challenge is general knowledge. You have 60 seconds. Engage. What is 10% of 450?
45.
What is 98 minus 26?
Pass.
What is the verb in the sentence, the baby was crying loudly?
Crying.
Spell the word education.
Education.
What is the past tense for the verb search?
Searched.
What is the fastest land animal?
Cheetah.
What tool do you use to see cells?
Microscope.
Which scientist discovered gravity?
Isaac Newton.
What year did the bubonic plague hit London?
1665.
Who was the British monarch during World War I?
Pass.
What is the longest wall in the world?
The Great Wall of China.
In which continent is Denmark?
Europe.
What is 98 minus 26?
72.
Challenge complete. I.L.M, you have answered 11 questions correctly and passed on 1. Well done. Initializing score updates.
Ayan retakes the lead from Uthman, who now has an impressive 21 points, showcasing his sheer knowledge and determination.
The rest will have a chance in the last challenge, Islamic knowledge.
Let's advance to the 3rd and final challenge. Give it your best shot, as this may be your last chance to advance to the next round.
Safa, your final challenge is Islamic knowledge. You have 60 seconds. Engage. Name 2 daughters of the Prophet Muhammad.
Fatima and Aisha.
Who was the first man to accept Islam?
Ali.
What month do Muslims fast in?
Ramadan.
True or false? Muslims start the fast after sunrise.
True.
How many surahs start with Qul?
4.
What is the name of the surah that means spider?
Ankabut.
What is the sunnah to do when entering a home?
Pass.
True or false? We should say Alhamdulillah and thank Allah for giving us life after sleep when we wake up.
True.
Allah raised one prophet to himself who will be sent back to earth. Name the prophet.
Prophet Isa.
Which prophet was sent to the people of Thamud?
Prophet Noor.
What is the white garment men wear during Hajj Umrah?
Pass.
What should we say when making plans?
Insha'Allah.
What is the sunnah to do when entering a home?
Pass.
Challenge complete. Safa, you answered 6 questions correctly and passed on 2. Well done. Uthman, your final challenge is Islamic knowledge. You have 60 seconds. Engage. What was the name of the first wife of the Prophet Muhammad?
Khadija.
Where was the Prophet Muhammad born?
Makkah.
How many times a day do Muslims pray?
5.
What percentage of your wealth needs to be donated as zakat?
5%.
What is the name of the greatest ayah in the Quran?
The last 2 of Baqarah.
Which surah has the Ayatul Kursi in it?
Baqarah.
What is the recommended sunnah actions when putting on your shoes?
Start from the right.
What is the sunnah way of drinking water?
Drinking with your right hand.
Who was the first prophet?
Prophet Adam.
Who is the prophet mentioned as being able to interpret dreams?
Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam.
What was the name of the city of Medina called during the time of Prophet Muhammad?
Yathrib.
Which prophet was known for his beauty?
Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam.
Challenge complete. Uthman, you answered 9 questions correctly and passed on 0. Well done. Siye, your final challenge is Islamic knowledge. You have 60 seconds. Engage. What item are we encouraged to use before prayer to clean our mouth and teeth?
A pass.
How did the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, sleep?
He would sleep on a bed.
Which prophet was born miraculously by the command of Allah?
Prophet Isa.
Which prophet is often referred to as the friend of Allah?
Prophet Muhammad.
What is the name given to the companions of the Prophet?
Pass.
What is the name of the Sahaba that was given the name the sword of Allah?
Pass.
True or false? Muslims believe in one God.
2.
What is the correct direction of prayer?
Diagonal.
What is the name of the surah that is read in every rakat of salah?
Repeat that.
What is the name of the surah that is read in every rakat of salah?
Lohula. Ayatul Kursi.
Challenge complete. Siye, you answered 2 questions correctly and passed on 3. Well done. Ayan, your final challenge is Islamic knowledge. You have 60 seconds. Engage. How old was the Prophet when he received his first revelation?
40.
How long did the Prophet live in Medina after the Hijrah?
10 years.
What is the name given to the person who leads prayers?
Imam.
What is the special prayer performed only on Fridays called?
Jumu'ah.
Within the nearest 1,000, how many verses are in the Quran?
6,000.
What surah has 2 bismillahs in it?
Surah Naml.
What is the sunnah way to break your fast?
Iftar.
What should we say when we hear the Prophet's name?
Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Which Prophet was sent to the people of Ad?
Salih.
After creating the Prophet Adam, what did Allah teach him?
Pass.
What was the name of the uncle of the Prophet who oppressed him in his early prophethood?
Abu Lahab.
True or false? There is a surah in the Quran named after a bee.
True.
Challenge complete. Ayan, you have answered 9 questions correctly and passed on 1. Well done.
Initializing round 1 score updates. Leading the pack, we have Ayan with an astonishing 39 points. Uthman finished with 31 points, Safa with 24, and Sir with 8.
Unfortunately, Challenger Safa and Challenger Seer, you have failed to pass the starship's grade and therefore you will be neutralized. Najm.
Initiating neutralization.
Challengers Ayan and Uthman, you have successfully passed this first round and you will now be placed in the status lounge awaiting your next challenge. Well done.
Teleporting to Stasis Lounge. Can't wait to see the next batch of challengers. It's gonna be a battle of epic proportions.
Indeed, until next time, Cosmic Challengers.